Okay. We are on deck 10, room 255. Let's go in.
Welcome.
Well, hello there.
Welcome to our interior room. 10, room 255. Welcome to our interior room. 10, room 255.
Here's your room.
Pretty small.
Very small.
But it's the king size bed. Now we did ask for it to be separated. However,
We did ask for it to be two separate beds, but they went ahead and put it in the king
I
size.
know you're probably asking questions. It's just for organizational purposes. It just makes it so much easier.
Yeah, so instead of having the empty sides on each side of the bed, you would have had an empty side in the middle of each bed. We just like it that way better, and we were going to try to show you the compare and contrast between our room and our daughter's room.
So here on the sides, they have little lights. You've also got the USB. It's on both sides of the bed. Little reading lights. Got your switches back here for turning on and off the light, so you don't have to get out of bed. Very nice. Turn around, you got the TV. Standard, pretty nice here.
Mm-hmm.
Here you've got the
Got your vanity area here.
One of the things I want to point out, not everybody knows this, is the little stool. If you take it out, it actually does have some storage in there.
Nice.
Just remember, at the end of the cruise, whatever you've stored in there to take out.
That's right.
You got a cooler. Pretty small, but you can fit a few things in there. A couple bottles of water. For your desk. Well, here, we'll start over here. There's your light. Really nice. 3 power things. That's freaking great. For so many of these ships, there's just not enough power. This has got 3 standard power and 4 USBs. So,
Yeah, really, really good.
yep, you should be covered there. Okay.
All right, moving along to the closets. Here is your first closet. You've got some hangers up here.
Now this one does fold down if you need an extra shelf. We just threw our suitcase in there for now. It's going to go under the bed once we get unpacked.
Yeah.
And then that will fold down and you'll have another shelf. Okay, but you got your full length mirror.
Yep, full length mirror. Nice.
Okay. And then your second closet here. And pretty dark, but
Yeah.
this does have all the shelves.
You've got hangers in this closet as well, both sides. This is where your safe is going to be located, right here.
And then some wire drawers for
Some pull-out
storage.
racks. Yeah. Pull out and put your shoes down there.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
Now turning around, I'll point out also here that this is also one of the ones where you have to have your card in there for the thing. So there's again your switches. All right, so here's the bathroom. Switches on the outside.
All right. Let's take a look. Pretty standard cruise ship bathroom. Pretty tiny. Got some shelves. You got a mirror there. You got some shelves down on the bottom where the trash can is. Your sink. Some shelves under here.
So a lot of storage for the bathroom.
Yeah, not too bad.
And the best part is it's a glass.
Glass shower door. Yes.
No longer is it the old shower curtain sticking to your butt.
Then your standard shower. Your soap and body wash. You also have your clothesline here. It attaches and goes across. You can hang up your wet bathing suits. Nice.
All right, well, the big thing with room 10255 is it's an adjoining room.
Yes, we have adjoining rooms.
So, here, going on through. And there's the other room. This is where our daughter's staying.
So yes, adjoining rooms, which I can tell you, this will be the only time this door is ever opened. It will never be opened again. But their room is identical to ours, so we're not even going to go in there. So.
All right.
So that does it for our little room tour.
Yep. Room 10255, the Carnival Mardi Gras.
Yes, so we're gonna go see what else we can get into. We'll check in with you guys later.
All right, bye.
Bye.